I've used about 12 spools of this now. There is a learning curve on getting the flow over other wires I've used, like Lincoln. Start, stop, start, stop. I weld over here, then I weld over here. I go back and forth to help fight warpage. I also tip everything into position to the perfect angle. I spray it on. I use C8. I use about half the tips of any other wire I've ever used, so it doesn't stick as bad in the gun, which is interesting. That's 1/2 inch material. Three 3/16, 3/8, 5/16. I do have to turn up the voltage a little bit over like Lincoln Sure Arc. I railed about around 250 to 300 amps.